Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As I do now, I bring you this advice on how to cheat for those annoying mosquitoes, and more if they are in times of rainfall, since they reproduce by the waterlogging either in buckets, tires, etc. And in many places, there are many problems with dengue, which is very dangerous if it is not treated in time. But with this tip you will not have to worry, since they can be fought from them, and in a very simple way. So let's see what we will need. We are going to use a cup of fly sugar, but it can be from anyone, whether brunette or normal. A gram of yeast, but has to be bakery, not pastry. But I've seen on many sites that both use, so I leave them at their discretion. A cup of hot water. The 2-liter bottle of soda where the already mixed liquid will be deposited. Scissors to cut the bottle, and finally insulating tape to join the bottle already cut well. But it is optional because it usually enters pressure. And that's all. Let's see how to do it. We take our bottle, and with a knife, we make a string in the middle of it, since it is much easier than doing it with the scissors. Remember to have the bottle covered in doing so, since it is easier to penetrate it that way. We proceed to cut it completely in half, and must remain as follows. Already the top is the one that will be in the base, that will serve as a fun, so that the mosquitoes that can no longer come out, and that we no longer have more problems with them. Maybe you have to cut it a bit the funnel to make it out of the base, and thus paste and seal the bottle. We take the fly sugar and pour it into the hot water. Mix with a fork or revolve until it dissolves, and immediately, we throw it into the bottle, since this will make me attract mosquitoes, because they like them very sweet, and that will make them want to get. Then we pour the yeast, since this is the one that will form the carbon dioxide that is something else that attracts the mosquitoes. So this will be irresistible. There is no need to mix, since Solito will be incorporated with the other ingredients. We took the part of the bottle that was as funny, and as mentioned above, we only adjust it so that it is at the base of the base, and thus be able to paste it with the isolate tape, and that it is totally sealed from the sides as shown in the video. If you need only adjust since both parties are together. Already put the 2 bottles under pressure, we only begin to seal with the side tape the whole short, so that nothing of the carbon dioxide is escapes that will form the mixture with the yeast. This is totally optional, since as I told them, it is under pressure, and there should be no escape, but it is better to make sure. Apart from the fact that he does not remove any time when doing so. And in the end, this is how it is over. As you can see, it looks like opaque, and that is the carbon dioxide that is formed, and that will attract mosquitoes apart from the sugary mixture we put. On many sites they say that they cover it or form in black paper either by aesthetics, or they say the mosquitoes are closer. But there I leave them so that you do it in the way you like the most. Just put the comments if you were. The recipe says that this can last up to 30 days, so see him chicaning every week to see how musicians are bringing. As they can see, with just a bottle of soda, sugar, water, and yeast we can do a mosquito trap that is very effective, and apart from everything we spend almost anything, since they are ingredients that we already had at home, and we are recycling the bottle, that is even better. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.